he was so mad at me because I wasn't for it.
Anong tawag doon? Pag naiinis ka, tapos ginagawa ko ulit.
Aligon.
Aligo.
Welcome to the Love and Laughs
With the Pedregals.
Pedregals.
Let's go.
Hi
Episode
guys.
2.
Episode 2.
Imagine how fast.
OA. Dalawa
It's
lang.
like 2 days.
Dalawa lang eh. Masyadong OA. Alam mo, artista.
Kaya nga, ang bilis.
No, I'd like to thank everyone na nanood if it's on YouTube or nakinig sa first podcast namin on Spotify.
Yup.
Thank you. Sana may natutunan kayo dun.
Sana. Kasi baka hindi na kami umulit pag wala.
How are you, AB?
I'm good.
Maybe we should start on how your week was.
Let's start with Feast Day ni Don Bosco.
Ay, oo nga. We recorded this, or we are recording this sa feast day ni Don Bosco.
Yeah.
St. John Bosco.
Pray for us. Ayan, nahawa ka sa heart. Pray for us. If you guys don't know, we're both Bosconians.
Yeah, for context, we're both Bosconians.
Pero hindi kami same ng school.
Oo. We never met in the Philippines. We only met here.
And you know one thing about Don Bosco? Most people know Don Bosco. Don Bosco School is like all boys.
Yeah, I know that too.
Diba?
Yeah.
And
because it was started as an all boys.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So madaming tagilid.
What do you mean tagilid?
No, I mean sa school namin, Caritas Don Bosco School in Laguna. We are actually told na kami lang yung both genders.
Yung mix? Ang tawag doon? Nakalimutan ko
Anong
na
tawag
tuloy.
doon? May tawag kasi yun eh.
Co-ed.
Co-ed.
Oo. Co-ed na
So,
school.
Caritas Don Bosco School is the only co-ed school.
Feeling.
Na Don Bosco.
Ay, ano ako?
Diba? Kaya nga nagulat ako na Don Bosconian ka din.
Well, we were told that we're the only co-ed
diba? Sa inyo din.
Bosco School.
Sa inyo din, ganun yung sinabi.
Yeah, but I know Don Bosco Caritas. Kasi,
Caritas Don Bosco.
Caritas Don Bosco.
Ba't Don Bosco Caritas?
Kasi, Don Bosco Dumaguete, Don Bosco Mandaluyong, Don Bosco Makati, ganun
Don Bosco Caritas.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I know it.
Pero...
But I've heard of that because every time may Bosco Olympics, I hear Don Bosco,
Yes.
Caritas Don Bosco.
Sikat na tayo, guys.
But JJ doesn't know St. Louis School Don Bosco of Dumaguete.
Ang haba naman nun.
Well, it was St. Louis before and then basta long story, it's another story for another vlog.
Long story
day.
short, we're both Bosconians and we didn't know. Dito lang namin nalaman. Yun pa lang, alam mo na match in heaven kami.
Match made in heaven.
Match made in heaven.
Anyway, so let's go back. How are you?
Oh, I'm good.
Ang good na pakapeke nito.
Ano sinasabi dito?
Ano ka? Parang yung kiwis.
Hey, how are ya?
Like, kiwis love
How are ya?
the
I'm
small
good.
talks. Like,
parang,
kamusta? Okay naman. Ganun sa Tagalog. But when I first started here, like, everyone was asking me, how am I? Ako naman si kwento naman.
Pero mga kiwis, lang siya, like, para siya, more on expression na lang siya.
Well, it's just hey, lang.
You have to do it. Parang
it's just like hi.
Yeah, you have to do it.
Hi, hello. Pero bro, I was so bad at it when I first started because I thought people are so kind asking how your day was or how you are. Ako naman sa explain na, I'm tired today. Kakahiya.
Yeah.
Naalala ko, meron isang co-work na nagtanong sa akin, how are you? And I was very fresh here in New Zealand. Parang nag-explain ako, tapos parang aalis na talaga siya na ayaw niya makinig sa sinakwento ko. Well, how are you? Really, yung totoo.
How am I? I feel the same.
Yeah, what did you do this week?
Nothing.
Surely you have done something.
Nothing special.
Really?
I've done, nothing out of the ordinary.
JJ likes that. JJ likes the repetitiveness of life. I don't like it.
You know what I like?
What?
You.
Ay, na naman sa mga ano.
Oh, sige, go.
I mean, I want something, well, I love routine. I am a slave of routine. But sometimes I want spice in between, like
Mm.
something new in between. So it's not just like work, 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 and then nothing happens. Parang gusto ko minsan lumabas ako. Aren't you
Mm.
gonna ask me how am I? I've
How,
been
yeah, akala
waiting
ko hindi
for
ka pa
it.
tapos eh.
Wala ko kasi sabi
Akala
dito.
ko may kukwento ka pa. So, how are you?
Okay.
Mm. Diba? Diba? So, what did you do?
So I went to work and then I went to my 2 jobs this week.
Mm-hmm.
This is the week where I work 2 jobs. But also, this like midweek, the weather was very hot.
Super hot.
Pinamigraine ako. As in, like, it's so weird because in the morning it's cold. And the end of the day, sobrang init. Like,
Yeah.
sumasakit talaga yung ulo ko. I cannot bear it.
Welcome to New Zealand.
I know. In New
Yeah.
Zealand, you can have 4 seasons in one
In
day.
one day. Baka nga mag-snow mamaya eh. We don't know.
Yeah, we really don't know. Well, this
So,
summer has been cooler. In
mm.
fairness naman, compared last year, it was very
I mean,
hot.
it's, yeah, most of the days it's cool
Yeah, tulad ngayon,
than
gabi
hot.
na. Medyo lumalamig na naman.
I think it's because it's February tomorrow.
No, but in December and in January, we didn't have much heat.
Yeah.
We didn't really feel the summer. It's
Still
still
hotter in Australia.
and still cold here.
Yeah.
But anyways, well, it's good. Well, I went to physio.
Yeah, me too.
Diba? Parehas kami may injuries.
We have the same physio.
Yeah, parehas kami yung mga
Physiotherapist.
injuries.
Yeah.
PT.
Kasi,
We're undergoing
ginaya ko siya.
rehab. Like, I'm going through rehab because
Rehab?
yeah, that's what you call it. It's rehab.
Baka addict.
Bro, you're so basic. You only know rehab para sa mga addict.
To be clear, hindi po addict si May. Okay. Baka,
What the heck? You're so
Syempre.
basic. No, when you say rehab, you're going to recovery, ganon.
hindi, for the normal person like me. Pag sinabi mo rehab,
Bro, napaka-normal mo naman. Hindi mo alam yun.
okay, go.
Yeah, we're going through physio because I hurt my back at work.
Mhm.
And then the physio said it's something nerve related. I was so scared. Kasi my leg was numb. This started in the first week of December. Hanggang ngayon, I still feel like my leg is weak.
Mhm.
But it's a lot better than what it was when I first felt it. I'm slowly recovering, and the physio said I'm going in the right direction.
That's good.
And today is the first day that I did my Pilates again.
That's good.
Kasi hindi ko siya magawa-gawa kasi
When was the last time you've done Pilates?
mga December, well, when
December?
when it started, I was still doing my exercises, my Pilates, but still I felt like my legs couldn't handle it.
Mhm.
The pressure
Okay.
felt so weak and numb, and I don't like the feeling that my foot is numb kasi para siyang non-existent.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun?
You don't like the feeling, pero walang feeling kasi numb.
Yeah, ano siya eh. Alam mo yung sa Bisaya na naminhod ang imo.
Naminhod ka, Jude.
Ito naman si OA. Effort na effort mong Bisaya.
What?
But anyways,
Gani.
that's my week. Si JJ naman nagfi-physio, gumaya sa akin.
Gumaya ko sa kanya kasi ikaw lang? Diba? Ako din.
But
pero
the catch is, nagbabayad siya. Ako hindi.
Inano ko yung ano ko. Nagbabayad ako. Pero
Na-refund ka na ba?
na-refund yung sa GP ko.
Mm.
Pero yung sa insurance ko, for some reason, they don't accept the small receipt. They want
Yeah,
the
they
big
want
one.
the
Like,
invoice.
the
Yeah,
invoice.
It's fair naman kasi baka kung anong resibo yung binibigay mo sa kanila. Kasi sa invoice, it's itemized.
Okay.
Yeah, like ito.
So, nagpa-print ako dun.
And then did you send it?
Yeah.
And did they accept it?
Hindi, kakasend ko lang eh.
Okay, sorry.
Feel ko lang.
Okay.
Anyway, nagfi-physio din ako kasi sumasakit yung sa puwet ko. Hindi yung butas.
Ew.
No, but like yung sa,
Glutes.
glutes. That's the word. Pero hindi siya glutes. Like,
So,
it's
ano
more
siya?
deep inside.
Deep
It's called,
tissue pain?
I think it's called dermatitis or something.
Where did you get that word?
Sa TikTok.
Best
No,
in TikTok.
inaano ko kasi na sa TikTok, nakikita ko, sciatica. Hindi sciatica yung sa akin.
No, mine is
Oh,
sciatica.
pero sa akin, close sa sciatica. So, inano ko.
Yeah.
What's sciatica but not sciatica? So, yun yung lumabas. Permatitis or something.
Pero yung physio
Pero
niya,
last,
hindi ma-explain kung ano
oo,
nangyari sa
physio,
kanya.
sabi, ang weird naman yan. Sabi sa akin. Pero tapos last, like yesterday ata yun, sabi niya, oh, it's the muscle, sinabi niya yun. So sabi ko, oh, I heard about that. So, tama ako.
We'll have to look
Tama
into
yung
that.
TikTok.
We'll have to
Oh,
look
di
into
ba?
that kung tama.
Tama
Ayan.
yung TikTok, di
Hindi ko
ba?
alam yan.
No, kasi gumagaling na yung one side. Kasi both sides sa akin sumasakit. So, gumagaling na yung one. Ibig sabihin, working yung physiotherapy.
Mm.
It's working.
Oh yeah, and for context, I'm taking medications for that. Taking like muscle relaxants and pain reliefs to really help me recover because I hurt my back and sabi ng physio, naipit yung nerve kaya sumasakit yung leg ko tsaka kaya siya nagnanumb.
Baka kasi naka-Indian seat ka palagi.
Oo, nag-i-Indian sit ako palagi. Pag kumakain ako or like sa table, ganun ganyan.
Alam ko yan eh.
Because every time na tumatayo ako, sinasabi ko si JJ, I can't feel my legs. Or laging ganun. But,
Gaganunin ko.
nakakainis talaga.
Oh, pero naramdaman mo.
Lalong sumakit.
Oh, pero naramdaman mo.
Kasi ano nga, gibinhood nga. Hindi ko ma-explain sa
Minhood.
Tagalog.
Minhood jud.
Gibinhood nga.
Gibinhood.
Ano ba yan? Nakuhulog ako dito sa chair.
Okay, next.
Anyways, yeah. I hurt my back at work. Too much work.
Buhat ng buhat.
Yeah, my work is very physical. Unfortunately. And
Hindi,
I'm
kasi
very little.
Binubuhat mo kasi dapat
No.
nagpapatulong ka.
Nagpapatulong ako. Hindi ko binubuhat. It's just that,
Kasi
let's say,
minsan sinasabi mo sa akin, kala ko kaya ko eh.
No. It's not just that though. Let's say if I'm holding you, kunyari you're my patient, I'm holding you like that. It's okay. It's not heavy if you're following me. But if you're resistant, and most of my patients are resistant, syempre, tingnan mo, ang sakit na ng kamay ko. Yeah, it's like that.
Okay.
'Cause my patients are resistant. They're
Okay.
combative. They bite, they punch, they kick.
So, nangangarate.
Yeah, unfortunately. But oh well, that's a story for another day. So our topic for today will be like how we navigate the ups and downs as a married couple.
Siguro, guys, dito may matututunan sana kayo.
Sana.
Diba?
Sana. Like, how do we deal with the... Let's go for the first with the downs. Is it better kung downs? Or ups muna? Let's go first with the downs.
Oh, down
Sige,
muna.
kasi medyo controversial siya.
Para maganda yung ending.
Okay.
Diba?
Okay, weathering the storms, how to support each other during challenging times. Okay, let's think of the challenging times that we had. Financially, personality-wise. So, shall we start with financially? What were the struggles that we had financially? So, where does your money go?
Bills.
Yeah.
Mostly bills.
So, when JJ and I were not married yet, we had separate accounts.
Yeah.
We still have separate accounts now.
Yeah.
But when we got married, like somehow just mix everything. We pay for the usual bills. Kasi when we were single, our bills are already like, yung mga binabayaran namin, ano na siya, directly na siya sa mga accounts namin.
Yeah.
So, ang
Kasi
hirap,
dito, automated.
automated yung billing dito.
Yeah.
So, pag may bill ka, kunyari sa phone, makakaltasan yung
Yeah.
money mo sa bank. So,
Yeah.
everything is automated. And it's not hard naman, but it's nakakatamad na mag-change na naman ng kung anong bank account yung kukuhanan nila. Ganun. But JJ and I, we have a joint account.
Yeah.
And it's an advisable way being a married couple. And it's in the Bible. Ayoko nang i-quote kasi
Amen.
hindi ko alam. According sa mga mentors din namin in Couples for Christ, na you should have joint account because you're living in one roof. You're not like borders. So when was the time na naghirap talaga tayo? Basically, I do all the financing stuff.
Yeah.
I know everywhere our money goes.
Kung sino lang mas better to handle it, diba? Dapat siya yung nag-handle talaga.
But some couple have the pride in them na, no, kaya ko to.
Yeah.
Ganun naman. In fairness naman kay JJ, accept niya yung mga weaknesses niya.
Yeah, of course, 'di ba? Ako naman, ako, bakit ko poproblemahin kung kaya niya, 'di ba? Parang yun.
Mhm.
Gets mo?
But you
If she
have to
can handle our finances, 'di ba?
but you have to admit na there were times when you were dumb with your finances.
Of course.
'Di ba?
Growing up, this is part of growing up.
Well, tayo na nun. And you told me that when you turn
Mm.
25, you should be a CEO. JJ has this in his mind na when
Yeah.
he become 25. And I met him when he was 24. 1 year na lang.
I had that.
Hindi, sabi, he was
Yung
very
goal ko na yun,
convicted.
24 ako na. Na-start ko yun. So, well, 25 magkano ako.
Nagiging
Or more like
CEO
2
na.
years from 25.
Naging CEO na siya.
CEO ko.
Grabe, diba? 1 year lang.
Yeah.
Paano yun, dapat
Yeah.
boss na siya. Sabi niya, he would stop
Yeah.
working at 25 kasi
Yeah.
magiging businessman na siya.
Yeah. I thought I can do it.
And what did you do? He bought a business. He tried to buy a business.
Oh, which one?
Dati, yung restaurant.
Ah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
JJ tried to buy a business. And it's not just like business, it's business. Ganon.
What's that supposed to mean?
It's big, it's
Ah, okay.
huge, it's something.
Okay.
So JJ bought, hindi niya natuloy yun. He
Yeah,
did
no.
not buy it, but he tried
Yeah.
to buy it.
Yeah.
He was so mad at me because I wasn't for it.
Yeah.
Like,
Actually forgot.
yeah. See, we forgot all yung mga nahihirapan tayo.
Yeah.
We're just happy.
I don't
With the
think
good
it's like
things.
it has like a big impact.
Well, what if nabili mo
remember.
yun?
Di CEO na ako.
CEO ka nga,
Diba?
baon ka naman sa
Diba?
utang.
Diba?
So JJ was so mad at me kasi hindi daw as a girlfriend, hindi daw ako supportive.
Mm.
Sabi niya dapat kahit maghirap daw yung lalaki, i-support niya siya.
Yeah.
That wasn't in my headspace. And like if
Yeah, you have a different goal. Kasi hindi
I
naman-
had a different goal. If
Hindi naman
JJ
tayo
will be
mag-asawa eh.
Oo, hindi
Yeah.
kami mag-asawa, mag-girlfriend boyfriend lang kami.
Yeah.
If JJ will be the guy na he'll drag himself down to a losing thing, I won't be with him.
Paano ngayon?
It's different, syempre
Oo.
ngayon. Kasi that time, you only had your choice and you did not consult me.
Okay.
Eh
Fair
ngayon,
enough. That's
ngayon,
fair
if you will
enough.
make decisions, we consult each other naman.
That's fair enough.
Dati, you just want to go for it because you had a dream of becoming a CEO
Yeah.
when you turn 25. Sabi ko sa kanya, no, you're gonna fail. Like, I honestly told him that's not gonna work.
Bro. That's why I failed.
Galit na
That's why
galit
it
siya
failed.
sa akin.
That's why it failed.
Well, you cannot say that it failed because
Diba?
you didn't start. You had it.
I tried.
You tried,
Yeah.
but you cannot say that it failed because the business didn't ever start.
Yeah.
Kasi
It
naman,
failed from the start.
no, it didn't.
Okay.
It didn't even start.
Okay.
Yeah. Kasi naman, gusto niyang bumili ng business 2 hours away from where we lived. And restaurant yon, he doesn't know anything about it. His concept of business is he will just be the boss and
Yeah.
someone else will work for him.
Yeah.
My concept of business is you start from the bottom, you do the hard work, and then until you become the boss.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, like, from someone na galing sa family na nagbe-business,
Yun.
hindi naman yun malaki alam ko, may
Yeah.
insight ako. Hindi naman
Yeah.
super alam ko, pero may insight ako na it's not easy.
Yeah.
Kasi JJ, hindi ba niya na-experience yun ever. So, gusto niya, akala niya, if you dive into it, everything will just flow.
I feel like I can do it. That's what I feel.
He felt like he can do it, but for
Yeah.
me,
Kasi how would I know, 'di ba? If I'm not there.
but
You know what I mean?
But you didn't have any good planning. Like, you didn't even
Mm.
research on how to cook. You even haven't tried
Kasi nga,
cooking.
Hindi ako cook. Pero magkakaroon ako ng magko-cook. Kung alam mo na may mas magaling sa'yo gumawa, kukunin mo siya, 'di ba?
Iba talaga yung insight ni JJ.
Ganun yun eh.
So how did we manage that? How did we like reconcile to that?
I actually forgot. So, I can't remember.
Ito naman si JJ.
Pero
Ano,
I feel like I'm just
it,
gonna compare it from then to now. Ngayon kasi, I'm more like asking her. I'm telling her about everything. I'm asking her first, 'di ba?
mm-mm. So basically, we communicate everything
Yes.
first before
We do
coming up
things.
with a
Like we do,
decision.
yeah. Like if it's a big decision, we have to talk about it.
Yeah,
Even the small ones actually.
yeah. And
Communication's
we
number one.
rarely fight. Like JJ and I, we don't
Nag
always. Well, when
yeah.
we first
Hindi,
started,
naggaganto lang kami, mukha kaming nagtatalo, but it's
it's
normal.
yeah, hindi siya ano,
Yeah.
fight. Competitive.
Yeah, we're competitive.
Yeah, but honestly, when we first started, we had lots of fights. When I do my night shift before,
Mm.
naiinis si JJ that I just sleep all day. Ang night shift nga eh, syempre gising ka ng gabi, tulog ka ng umaga. And then, naiinis siya na there's no food on the table when he come home from
Yeah,
work.
actually.
And I was like, oh my gosh, you're so mean. I did my night shift and you will expect me to cook
Yeah.
when I'm so tired. Like, tapos ikaw, when you get home, you just directly play on your computer.
Oh.
Fire shot.
Hindi, iba kasi yun eh.
Then you do it yourself. Kung ganun man.
Gutom ako eh.
Oh, yeah. Si
Diba?
JJ, if he's hungry, he's hangry.
Yeah.
Like,
I'm
baliktad sa
hangry.
babae.
Hangry without an H.
Super. Di
So
ba ganyan yung mga babae na inis pag...
don't let me get hungry.
Yeah. So, nakita ko yung sa TikTok. Well, when we first started, JJ
TikTok ka
and
din,
I,
diba?
when I first started JJ and I tried so hard to understand why he is like that. Kasi naiinis
Parang,
ako na he always just play.
parang ang complicated ko naman na tao.
Well, maybe other guys are like that, but I don't know.
I feel like I'm like a simple guy.
No, you're not.
Na
You're a
I'm
gamer guy.
I'm doing the same things, literally just playing.
Yeah, like
That's it.
because you're a gamer and I'm not.
Yeah.
And then I want kasi a guy na will look after me,
Mm.
na mature.
So, hindi ako ganun.
Hindi ka pa ganun that time. Tapos, like, we always fight kasi gusto niya may food. Tapos sabi ko, ba't naman kailangan magluto? Eh, ikaw magluto dyan. You cook for me and you clean the house.
What kind of girlfriend?
Well, I'm not like that.
Okay.
And then, nag-read ako ng books. May na-read
Mm.
ako na book na men are from Mars and women are from Venus.
The best book ever.
I learned that this is not scientific na inexplain niya doon. Pero it's like parang may connection siya. Na men that are from Mars, they're from a battle. Alam mo yung olden times? They're like soldiers. They're from the war.
Yeah.
And then women that are from Venus, they go with their feminine side. Like they talk with other girls, they enjoy like engaging, nurturing people.
Mm-hmm.
And then when men from Mars come home, they don't want to engage with the women in Venus. They want to go in their cave and relax. Tapos in-interpret nila na if men will go to their cave, their form of relaxation is they play games, they solve their puzzles whatsoever. So, yun yung nangyayari kay JJ. If he comes home after a stressful day at work, umuupo siya, bumabalik siya sa computer. Sabi ko, whole day ka naka-computer, tapos pagdating mo dito sa bahay, gusto mo agad mag-computer. So, yung ganun. So, kinuwento ko yun kay JJ. Tapos
Yeah.
sabi ko, but Venus, parang they always look forward kasi for their man who is from Mars.
Mm.
So when men from Mars will go to Venus, they want to be loved,
Yeah.
they want attention.
Yeah.
So sinabi ko yun sa kanya.
Mm.
Since then, nagbago.
Mm.
Nagbago yung dynamics namin.
Yeah.
What JJ will do,
Because it actually makes sense eh.
yeah, is it right?
I think it's right.
It takes off the
Yeah.
stress off of you.
Yeah.
Yeah, so what he did after I told him that,
Mm.
so, he's so mind blown. Na, oo nga, no?
Yeah, because
JJ is very simple. If you teach him
It's
something, he's like,
it's like
oo nga, no? Meron din
ganun.
akong binasa na book. Nakalimutan ko lang. Pinahiram sa akin ng friend ng ka-workmate ko na. It's like backing that book na parang scientifically
Mhm.
na women are complicated. The wires in their brains are different from men.
Yeah.
So, after nun, si JJ, when he comes home, he makes sure that he gives me attention. He hugs me, tapos ganyan. Pabebe muna, ganun ganyan.
Yep.
Tapos after a while, diretso na yan sa
Yep.
computer.
Di ba? Win-win. Win-win.
Win-win. So, hindi siya katulad ng dati na.
Nabigay ko yung gusto niya, nabigay niya yung gusto ko.
Oo, hindi siya katulad ng dati na after,
You just have to explain it. Parang ganun.
yeah, I
You
have to
just
tell
to
him.
communicate.
Kasi one time, pag nag-aaway kami, one time, nagalit siya kasi walang pagkain sa bahay. Tapos, day off ko.
Come on. Come on.
Tapos, sa isip ko, oh, okay, it's my day off anyways. We're gonna eat out. But I did not tell him.
Yeah.
I did not tell him na we will eat out.
I have to be told.
We will eat out that night. Tapos pagkadating niya, nagpe-prepare ako kasi ilalabas kami.
Yeah.
But I did not tell him. Pagkadating niya, walang food. Grabe, inis na inis siya.
Kasi, kasi, buong araw ako gusto ko na umuwi, gusto ko na kumain. Pagdating ko, ina-expect ko kakain na lang ako, ganun. Like, kasi yun yung normal eh. Ganun yung normal kasi nagluluto naman siya. Diba? Pero pag sinabi mo sa akin na labas na lang tayo, okay kasi.
So, I did not tell him that we're gonna eat out. Tapos, nagalit siya. Sabi ko, ba't siya magagalit? Mag-eat out na nga kami. So, kasi nagalit siya, nagalit na din ako. So, kumain kami sa labas. Nagalit sa isa't isa. Tapos sabi niya mo sa akin, I can't read your mind, May. Were you angry at me? Parang feeling niya, dapat siya yung galit.
Oh. Diba?
Ako yung galit. Ako yung mas nagalit. Kasi, why are you mad at me? We're already here. We're eating.
You know why.
Well, I know why.
Yeah.
Kaso nga, madami na akong ginawa. Hindi ko na siya nasabihan. So,
Okay.
since then, if planado ko na kakain kami sa labas, tas alam ko na it's almost time for him to go home, tas day off ko, I'm gonna text him ahead of time na we're gonna eat out tonight.
Yeah.
Tas may other times din na minsan hindi ko nasasabi na we're gonna eat out tonight. Hindi na siya nagagalit. Hindi na siya nagagalit. Like, parang,
tinanggap ko na.
Oo, what are we gonna eat? Ganun na
Tinanggap
siya.
ko na.
Hindi
Actually,
na siya
parang
nagagalit.
binawasan ko yung expectation ko.
Yeah.
Na
I'm not a housewife.
paano pag wala?
Oh, ito pala
Paano
guys.
pag walang food?
Ito pala.
Diba? Parang gano'n.
Ito pala guys. Si JJ and I are both working full-time. So, sinabi ko sa kanya, Jay, you're working full-time. I'm working full-time. You don't expect me to do everything here in the house. Sinet ko na yung expectation niya. Na if you want me to do things in the house, pay for everything, and I'm gonna be a housewife.
Done.
He always says that. Done. Done. Walang nangyayari.
Done.
Yeah. So parang he understood na I'm not gonna go above and beyond to do everything in the house. Kasi we're both tired.
Yeah.
Like, we're doing full-time jobs. And it's fair naman, diba? But
Yeah.
I like serving you. I enjoy serving you.
That's your love language.
Yeah, but I cannot do it always kasi
Yeah.
I'm working and I get tired.
Yeah.
If it's my work day, JJ will cook for us.
If she has work during the weekends, I'll do everything.
He does everything.
Yeah.
Pag if ako naman off ko tas work niya, I do everything.
Kasi
din.
usually you have work on the weekends.
Hindi naman usually, lang, salitan.
Yeah,
Every
usually.
other.
Yeah.
Every other. So that's how we navigate the storms. We communicate
Yeah,
in
but
fairness
yeah,
naman
it
sa
kinda
amin.
takes time, but
Yeah. At
Yeah.
ito yun, one thing din, if meron na kaming napag-awayan dati, we don't fight about it again.
yeah,
Kasi we change it. We learned about it.
yeah.
Kaya
Ibig
hindi na siya
sabihin,
nagagalit
yeah.
kung walang food sa bahay.
If galit ka pa rin, kanya pinag-usapan nyo na, tapos nagalit ka pa rin. Ibig sabihin, wala kang,
Hindi na siya na-resolve.
wala ka natutunan. Parang ganun.
Kaya pag
Kasi
nag-away,
galit ka pa
ilabas
rin.
mo na lahat.
Yeah.
Na pag nag-away kami ni JJ is so mean.
Ganun.
Yeah, ganyan
Like
lang yan
that.
siya. But if he gets angry, like, he's
What do you mean?
so
I don't
mean.
get
Like,
angry.
pag nag-away kami, hindi na siya alam mo yun, hindi na justifiable yung mga sinasabi niya
Puro
para
yun.
lang mainis ka. Pag nag-away kami, sabihin niya kung ano yung gusto niyang sabihin para lang mainis ka, para manalo siya sa argument.
Oh.
Kahit it doesn't make sense.
Oh. It doesn't make sense or it doesn't make sense to you.
Tapos sabi ko,
Diba?
sasabihin ko sa kanya, you're so mean. You
Yeah.
don't have to talk to me like that. I'm your wife.
I'm actually mean.
Sabi niya, yun yung sinasabi niya. Yes, I mean. Kaya, madaming nagsasabi niya, tanggap pa.
I'm actually mean.
Yeah, so, but ako, I'm trying my best not to be mean to him because he's my husband. Every day. Hindi naman siya mean every day. Pag nag-away lang kami, parang ilalabas niya lahat ng bala niya para mainis ka lang.
Yeah. Anong tawag doon? Pag nainis ka, tapos ginagawa ko ulit.
Aligon.
Aligon. Aligon, Jude.
Sa Bisaya.
Aligon.
Aligon pa niya siya. Oy, aligon.
Yeah.
Aligon ka, ayaw, ulit.
Kasi ganun ako eh. Aligon talaga ako. Pag kunyari, inasar kita, nainis ka, aasarin talaga kita ulit. What do you call
He
that?
finds satisfaction in yan. Nangungulit siya.
It satisfies me.
Pero on a normal day naman,
Nanay-
hindi naman ganun si JJ.
Yeah.
I sound mean too.
It's not for everybody. So,
Ako din naman.
Yeah.
Diba? I sound mean too. But really,
you are mean. What do you mean?
so bad.
Diba?
No, it's, ano lang talaga, I speak the truth.
Oh.
But, syempre, tinitame ko na yung bibig ko. If
Yeah.
I can't say something good, I won't say anything.
Yeah.
A good thing about JJ is, pag, kunyari, i-correct ko siya in his English.
Yeah. My English is bad.
Pag kinokorek ko siya, ganun nga yung bibig ko, pasmado nga yung bibig ko.
Pasmado yung dila mo. She's mean actually.
If wrong grammar,
she might
but I
actually
don't-
be meaner
hindi
than
ko
me.
hindi ko yun intention.
Yeah.
It just
No,
comes
it's
out.
just the way you speak.
Yeah, maybe.
Like-
maybe.
Kasi Bisaya ka ata. Kaya ganun.
Oo, ganun yung guro yung mga
Diba?
Bisaya. Pero malakas magsalita. Tapos
mean. Mean yung
Direct,
pagkakasabi. Yeah.
Tapos, si JJ, pag namali siya ng English,
Mm.
kinokorek ko siya there and then. Parang
Mm.
ko na siya. Ang tawag dyan, muscle memory na.
Mm.
Na pag may nagsalita ng wrong grammar,
Yeah.
kinokorek ko.
Kumbaga siya yung sa Facebook na pag nagkamali ka ng grammar, you mean
Hashtag.
your?
Oo,
Not your?
ganon.
Ganon,
Ako
para siyang ganon.
Ginaganon ko. Pero I'm not the best on it. Like, I'm
Yeah.
not the best on nagkakamali din ako. Pero
Siya
yung
yun.
mga simple lang, kasi namamali si JJ,
Yeah.
kinokorek ko siya agad.
Yeah.
Which I appreciate na hindi siya na-hurt.
Hindi, na-hurt.
Nitatanong ko siya, na-hurt ka pag kinokorek kita?
Nah,
Oo.
I'm not like that.
Yeah. So, yun, like, I was like, oh, you're so good. Hindi ka na-hurt sa akin. Kasi, like, you see me as someone that's, like, just helping you for you
Yeah.
to become better.
Yeah.
But others, in my past relationships, they
Oof.
feel like,
Baka nanonood.
eto si OA naman eh, pinag-uusapan lang.
Ay,
Si OA.
shoutout sa'yo.
Huy!
Oh, bakit?
Sabi ko, in my past relationships,
Okay.
OA naman to. Anyways, in my past relationships, na-hurt sila pag kinokorek. Parang
Mm.
they feel so low of themselves.
Ah,
Na parang, okay, gumagana.
kumitiklop.
Yeah.
Kasi.
But like for someone like me, like I'm an alpha female, I need someone na stronger than me.
Yeah.
That's why I really appreciate our low times din, our tough times. Kasi we always end up reconciling
Yeah.
and hindi na natin pinaulit-ulit yung mga
Yeah.
problema.
Kasi nakakapagod.
Nakakapagod, nakakasakit sa ulo.
Alam mo yun,
Like we already talked about it before.
meron kasing ganun na couple na
Yeah, I experienced that.
paulit-ulit yung away. Like, ito na naman, pag-away na naman natin to. Like,
I
come on, man.
experienced that. Like, I don't want it. Like, it's just repetitive.
Yeah. So, guys,
Battle.
just don't, repeat your mistakes na lang.
Yeah.
And for the girls naman, you have to understand your partner.
Yeah.
Ganun lang yun.
Actual. The
Up.
apps naman.
Okay,
apps.
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 TikTok?
Ang TikTok.
Apps eh.
Joke mo? Corny? Celebrating the highs without losing sight of each other. Talking about enjoying successes, milestone, and joyful moments together. without letting external pressures or busyness take over.
Hmm.
So we're as an individual, we're busy people. People tell us that we're so busy. Like JJ, nag-aral si JJ while working full time.
Oof.
Ako, I have 2 jobs and a business. I supposedly had 2 businesses, yung cookies ko and yung skincare. But nilet go ko yung cookies muna kasi hindi na nga kaya sa time.
Maybe we should bring it back because
Everyone's
everyone's
looking for it. Are you happy with my successes? How do you navigate with that?
Of course.
You get happy with my
Your success is my success. Agree.
Gigigil ako sa'yo.
Agoy ka.
Si JJ, he's not insecure of what I do,
I'm not insecure in general
of anyone.
of anything.
You don't get intimidated by my success.
No.
Ako din, I don't get intimidated by anyone.
Yeah. Ironic yun if kunyari gusto ko maging successful, gusto ko sinusupport mo ako, tapos ako hindi kita parang ganun.
Mm-mm.
Ironic siya.
Mm.
Diba? So, kung ano yung gusto ko, ginagawa ko sa'yo. Sinusupport kita all the way.
Yeah.
That's me. Diba?
Ako din, I support JJ all the way. Like, lahat ng mga, activities niya.
Games.
Mahirap yun kasi I don't know anything about it.
Yeah, no, just let
Rather,
me do it.
sinishare ko naman yung
Just let me do it. That's it.
You've been doing it.
Yeah,
I'm not stopping
I
you.
know. Yeah.
Our me time is very important. JJ's me time and my me time.
Yes.
So, we don't, find, yung sinabi ni Crazy sa podcast niya na, Slater doesn't, make her, parang you don't find your entertainment from your husband.
Mm.
Yung ganon. Ganon din kami.
Ano yun eh? Clingy yun eh.
Clingy naman tayo.
Yeah.
Yeah,
At times.
clingy naman
What do you
kami,
mean?
but we have our own time.
Yeah.
I enjoy editing
Yeah.
din. So, I want my own time. Minsan, sinabi ko na to dati sa podcast na, minsan, ayoko na off si JJ sa off ko. Kasi, I have lots of things to do.
Yeah.
Tapos siya ay, ganun lang siya palagi. Gusto niya manood ng TV palagi. I'm the person na, if I stay too much watching TV, feeling ko unproductive ako. He finds it like a relaxing
Yeah.
thing to do. But ako, dapat kunyari, isang episode lang. Dumaan ako sa time na nalulung ako sa K-drama. Walang nangyari sa life ko. So, we don't, depend on each other for entertainment.
Yeah.
Yun. Okay, konti na lang. So, we don't depend on each other for entertainment.
Yep.
JJ likes to play his games. I like to play on my phone. Also, I want to watch K-drama on my own.
Yeah. You're also a gamer. Phone gamer. Mobile gamer.
Ang galing ko kayang
She
mag-Tetris.
plays yung mga ads na nakikita nyo sa phone. That's what she plays.
Uy, nakakahiya.
Like yung mga ad ayun yung ad, diba? Tapos pwede mong laruin. Yun yung lalaruin niya. Da-download niya yun.
Oh my gosh, lowbat na. But anyways, lowbat na yung camera namin. Oh, that's so sad. We're having a good talk. Anyways, hindi kami insecure with each other.
Yes.
Like, if JJ has his successes, I'll be so happy for him. Kunyari, meron akong mga talks kasi I do talks then. Si JJ is super number 1 na nandun nag-cheer for me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, tapos minsan nakakahiya na kasi nahihiya ako kasi parang he's putting me on a pedestal. Hindi naman ako ganun kagaling. Can you shut up? Walang nakakahiya. So, okay, I'm so happy to have a supportive husband. If it's the highs, we're really happy for each other.
Yeah.
Yeah, and if it's the lows, we always talk things through.
Yeah.
Also listening.
Yes.
And you listen to me and I listen to you.
Yeah.
And we talk like adults. We don't put our emotions first.
Yeah.
If we talk to each other, if it's some serious thing, we try our best not to get our emotions on the way of those decision making.
Mm-hmm.
And we also don't think malice of each other. I don't think bad about you when you do that. So we try our best then.
Just everyone makes mistakes.
But we're
naman.
not perfect.
Yeah, we're not perfect.
Sometimes nag-aaway kami for simple things.
I feel like mag-aaway tayo kasi matagal na tayo hindi nag-aaway. Alam mo yan?
Nami-miss.
Yeah, parang ganun. In a relationship, you have to mag-away. Yun.
Totoo.
I think that's healthy.
Part of it.
Yeah.
So for
Yeah.
context, JJ and I are together for 6 years.
Damn.
2 years married.
Damn.
It's not that long.
It's
That
not that
long.
long.
It's not that long compared sa iba na 15 years
12
na
years.
jowa tapos nagpakasal.
Tapos hindi nagpakasal.
Sometimes na-insecure ako, be.
Why?
Kasi minsan yung iba ang ganda ng story nila na ang
Yeah.
tagal nilang magjowa. Tapos they end up together. Tapos tayo, sinasabi ko sa'yo dati, di ba? 1 year pa lang tayo, tapos nagko-propose ka na agad.
Yeah.
Ganon.
It's not the time.
Hmm.
It's the person.
Yeah, actually, I was so amazed to have found a male version, parang a male version of me. Tapos, everything, like, matches. Like,
Just fall into place.
yeah. Like, JJ is Bosconian din pala, tapos ako Bosconian.
Yeah.
Tapos, nag-YFC din pala siya in his younger days. Tapos, ako din. Tapos, nag-SFC siya. Tapos, doon na kami nakita.
Yeah.
So it's just bizarre that two individuals who have the same education, sometimes have a similar background, to meet each other.
Yeah.
And God will really lead you to the person for you.
Yep.
As long as you just open your heart. And I can
Amen.
say then we both grew.
Yeah.
You're
Definitely.
You're not the person that you are since the
No.
first time I met you.
Yeah, definitely not.
Grabe ka galitin si JJ dati. Super small things. Yung friends namin, they can attest to it. Meron kaming friend, yung isa.
Test to
Kasi
it.
palagi kaming nagtatalo ni JJ. Even the small things, pinagtatalunan namin. Pero hindi kami nag-aaway.
Sino to? Si Jun?
Si John.
Shoutout sa'yo, Jun. Si Jun, allergic sa away.
Si JJ,
As
kunyari, nung lumalabas kami, nagpa-party. Tapos si JJ, nagtatalo kami palagi ni JJ.
Akala mo.
Hindi kami nag-aaway. Like,
Hindi kami ganito lang. Like,
ganito
magtatalo
kami
lang.
nagtatalo. Si Jun, sasabihin ni Jun, ayan na naman kayo, nag-aaway na naman kayo.
Allergic.
Ayan na naman kayo,
Allergic.
nag-aaway na naman kayo. Ano ba kayong dalawa?
Yeah.
Tapos,
Allergic. Aalis siya.
aalis
Mag-walk out.
siya. As in,
Mag-walk out.
kunyari, siya, tapos kaming dalawa.
Oo.
Mag-walk out siya kasi
Yeah.
ayaw niya kaming marinig na
Yeah.
nagtatalo. Kasi,
Yeah.
tapos si Charmaine, yung kapatid ni JJ, pag nagbe-vent ako kay Charmaine, sasabihin niya na, well, you both have a point.
Oh, di ba? Thank you, Cha.
I mean,
Thanks, Cha.
like, as much as gusto ko na she will side sa akin, kasi ako yung nagbe-vent out, di ba? Sasabihin, parang siya, nalilito na din siya. Kasi parang, may point naman kayong dalawa.
Yeah.
So,
Thanks, Cha.
so ending, talaga, it's just really our pride.
Anyway, closing
I-
remarks. I think
yeah,
we have
I
to
think-
close the remarks.
There was the
Yeah,
remark.
close the remarks.
Thank you so much for listening to this podcast. I
Yeah.
hope you picked a little bit, of learnings from us. Thank you guys. Thank you friends. And happy feast day, St. John Bosco.
Pray for us.
Thank you God for letting us meet. And hopefully you will also find your Mr. Right or Mrs. Right.
Mukha si Kim
Magjo-joke
Chu.
pa. But yeah, thanks for watching or thanks for listening to our podcast. I hope you have a very good night and God bless you all. Bye.
Bye. Mr. Beast, please collab.
Feeling.